CBS 17's Kayla Strayer has been in Cumberland County all morning long for us, traveling in Fayetteville and other parts as well.
Yeah, and I know that there, Kayla, you've seen everything from boarded up windows to sandbags blocking off buildings.
Yeah, that's right. I guess the one good thing is it seems like everyone is getting as prepared as possible for Dorian. We're here at the shelter that just opened at Smith Rec Center. We saw just behind us crews out here unloading bottles of water from the truck, bringing them inside. They're asking anybody who does come here to bring any medications that you need, any cots, blankets, pillows that you might have if you do need the help. And we're also going to be talking at 10 a.m. to the Cumberland County Animal Control. You can bring your pets to this shelter. So that's something that we also do want to pass along. They'll be kept in a separate area here. I just checked with the Fayetteville Police. They're working 12-hour shifts right now. They tell me they are as prepared as possible for whatever Dorian brings. Also, crews at the Emergency Operations Center in Cumberland County are having meetings right now. We're going to be checking in with them throughout the morning as they continue to prepare. We also saw downtown sandbags. Again, as you mentioned, boarded up windows. Businesses really taking the precautions that they need to protect their business. And there is a hurricane information line. I do want to pass along that number. It's 910-678-7657. Officials advising to stay off the roads if possible, especially later today. Just anything you can do to be prepared and be as safe as possible. We'll continue checking in and bringing you live updates from Cumberland County. For now, reporting live in Fayetteville, Kayla Strayer, CBS 17 News.